Dakala ring atsuking kapanintunan king events management. Gugusal ka ring makule a selebrasyon na ning balang memalen. Antimoring personal na bagay ang maulaga king biyanan ning metong nga tao, palupaning kasal, binyag, anniversary. Ang giyang ring tradisyon king kiyakatamong kultura, antimoring festival o kapiestan. Metong lareni karing piliming misara at petugot pauli na ning pamangontrol king mass gathering a solusyon. Bang kanitang miyawat ya ing pamangalat ning COVID-19. Ganang Michael Kakay Muñoz, dakala ring event suppliers keti baksa, ami babata king krisis. Emu kanumemye sakit king kapanintunan nune ang gyang karetang karelang kliyenti, ame nga bantilo king karelang maulagang okasyon.
I'd like to tell you one thing. We have a bride na inkasal na talaga March 20. So that is like 3 days after the lockdown. So, lalo yung, I mean, how would she feel, di ba? Everything has been set. Atsunangan, ingay-gana-gana, day itself na mo. Tapos, suddenly it's locked down. There's nothing you could do about it kasi government regulation niya. So, we are now experiencing, and Balamo were one with their heartbreaks. Ne? It is really saddening na itang penenayan mong panahon for the longest 1 year, 2 years of planning, tapos po tandatang niya ala pa lang maging kasal. So they will be moving it right after ECQ, but then ECQ has been extended and extended and extended. So it becomes right now a story of worry. Mag-worry kami ngan kasi may balong pakibatan as event supplier nung ikami mo pwede diba? During that time, ala pa talagang marakalakaso na ning COVID. So, Balamo, we were thinking that COVID is still manageable. But looking at the trend, itang worry ni mahaginang anxiety and depression as time goes by.
Antiya mong tragedy ing alaka nung kasiguraduan na guidelines ning gobyerno, akeraklan kareng mamuntukan king events management, ikwarang mengalindu. At ing sakit na pakanuning karelang bili, ing pangalugira, dame-dame ang gakareng freelance talent at talapagobrang mitok ng serbisyo.
Ala talaga, as in zero in income daring event industry. Minsan nga, alimu zero, nakikipa. Kasi imagine, there are events already set, pero mag-cancel la. I mean, you already planned for this for quite long. Example, JS prom, graduation, fiestas, and other gatherings in wedding metong mo. Pero dakala paretang makakabit ang papangkakambala events related to our industry na may mag-cancel langan din. Imagine, catch income mo na yun, catch profit mo na yun, penigobran mo na ito. Pero hanggang gumaga ka pa, ala namang malyaring fiesta, ala namang malyaring graduation, ala namang malyaring birthday.
King krisis da kanung pagdalanan, dakala kanung meging kamulatan. Mumuna na karening makanano isama si nga gumanra, amika boses king gobyerno. Uling agpangking amano ng Muñoz, ikwara kanung meging aktibo, king National Live Events Coalition.ph, ami susubungin ni king karelang karapatan. Pepasyag na muna man nung nano in uniqueness king kultura tamo. Ot ing tibe at sika ng daring kapampangan, gagawara pa muring makapagdisposisyon.
Trying dinan thumbs up, tap on the shoulder that things will be better and they're doing a good job right now. Nung feeling mo itang produkto da bista may kailangan nung afford mo naman, salwan may supportan mo la. Retang initial steps for them to to build the sales would save a soul from depression, from anxiety. That alone would give them all the support that they need, the love that they want. And by just simply doing that, you are showing to them na life is still beautiful, that there is still hope amidst the crisis.
Samantala, agpang naman kang Voltaire Zalamea ning events and concepts, ang giyang masakit ang karelang sitwasyon kareng may ngalabasang bulan, maswelo yang ding kayang kliyenti, halos migpa-postpone mong schedule.
I am fortunate that most of my clients, if not all, decided to postpone their events rather than canceling. no? So actually wala akong maalala na nag-cancel na client. So most of them are really postponed it. Kasi siguro naiintindihan din nila, no? Parang well, initial reaction, syempre na-frustrate sila, naiinis, nagagalit, no? Pero they came to realize na it was beyond their control, no?
Mensay na namang Zalamea Karing-Karelang event partners.
Partners. Hang on lang, no? Hang on lang kasi lahat naman tayo hindi natin ginusto itong nangyaring ito. We are very fortunate that we have this National Live Events Coalition Philippines, wherein all the event partners in the country united. Kasi it's about time that the government would recognize how big our industry is, how essential we are.
Dagdag na pa.
Parang ang sakit din palang ma-realize na the government would consider you as a non-essential industry, di ba? Parang non-essential meaning the world will live without events, without events. Pero syempre, ang events naman nagbibigay kulay, nagbibigay buhay sa mga celebration. So, life would not be beautiful, life will not be colorful without events being celebrated.
Importante mo naman kano'y maging positibo la pa mo rin, king sitwasyon.
Think positive, this will come to pass. The government has already recognized us. I'm sure eventually they would come up with something to assist us or to help us in a way that we will be able to survive this one.
Akakit na naman kanong Zalamea, ang mas maginang personal in trend daring weddings, lalam na ning new normal.
Talagang expect na natin na hindi na tayo babalik sa dati, sa normal. No? So talagang we would have to deal with this new normal. In terms with events, with weddings, no, I would think, or the way I see it, intimate weddings will be the in thing now. Intimate meaning celebrations with less than 50 people, celebrations with people who are really close to you, like your immediate family, your parents, mga kapatid mo. Very few relatives siguro. You don't have to invite the whole clan, di ba, to celebrate. It will be a major adjustment for us Filipinos. Alam mo naman, tayo pag nag-celebrate mga Pinoy, talagang buong barangay, kung pwede, isama. No? Siguro magkakaroon na ng mga hybrid niyan na like this one, no? We're having this Zoom meeting. No? I think corporate events would eventually be streaming, di ba? Online, things like that. So talagang major adjustment. So we really have to, it's something that is inevitable that we really have to face and try to adjust because kung hindi natin tatanggapin ang new normal like ito, may mapapag-iwanan tayo.
May karakalmang pamagbayo, ing maulaga, sigurong ligtas king sakit. Kabang pagmasosyan ding peka maulagang okasyon, king biyeda ring tao. Nicolette Henson Hizon, CLTV News.